Got my second one of the day. It's kind of a windy day. I caught him on a curl tail, and yeah, so let's get him in. Hold on a second. So he's not a big one, but he bit a curl tail. You can see there. So my tip of the day: don't let people tell you what you can and cannot fish with. Because I've caught some big bass on some little lures, some little bass on some big lures. So stay tuned, more to come. Well, guys, I'm about froze. The bass was biting better than I thought they would by a whole lot. But I'm about froze. The wind's real bad, but the water's choppy. But if you can ever get your lure in the right spot, they're biting pretty good. I was using an orange curl tail with a weighted eye hook, offsets weighted eye hook. I'm about froze. My hands, I've lipped bass this evening. I've caught 9 or 10. No, maybe, I don't know. I wasn't really counting. But I got some little ones. I got some big ones. Well, not big ones, but I got little ones and medium-sized ones. I didn't catch no real big bass today, but I believe if I would have hit it directly after school when the sun was high and it was warm with the wind blowing, I believe the big bass was biting, because I had a couple of friends that I seen on Snapchat that they was biting pretty good, and I didn't see their Snapchats until about, I guess it was 4 o'clock when I seen it. So I got out on the water as quick as I could. It's about a 3 or 4 minute walk back to the house. So it was about 10 after 4 when I got on the water and started fishing. But it was a good day. I had one decent bass on, but he fishing with that small hook, he threw it out of his mouth, but that's fishing. But my rod of choice today is the Zebco 33 Authentic Z Glass Action. It's a 6-foot even rod, medium action, and it done really well. I could pitch it in that wind. I could pitch it real good. And of course, it's got the old Zebco 33. It's a black rod with that silver right there. But I will have the pictures on this video. Thanks for watching the video. And hopefully more to come. But it's a full moon. This is the last cold snap, so hopefully fish will start biting real good and they start picking up the pace. I can start catching more big bass and I can get it done. Thank y'all for watching. Stomping Ground Outdoors again.